Ni ngatho cia mwanya mwiroreri wa kiheotv kunyitana ithuĩ ngunyite ũgeni na moko meri waigua rũgambiru hatirĩ nganja ikĩrĩho nĩ mathaa mega magũkorwo tũgĩkũmenyithia marĩa matinda makĩhanĩka. Niĩ njĩtagwo Wairimu wa Wanjiru, mũtwathĩri na njĩra ya ciĩko etagwo Wambui wa Gaku. Tarĩki nĩ 7 naguo mweri nĩ wa Gathano, na tũkĩambĩrĩria mohoro maitũ nĩ atĩ mũingĩ ndũnahota kwĩyũnga na ikundi o ciothe mĩena ĩtiganĩte kuona borithi makoanaga mũgagaca kũgacĩrithia ũgitĩri. Borithi oho nĩ magathĩkire mĩgĩko barabara-inĩ kũrĩa Oguo niguo maundu makiuma. Tumurike riboti yake kũrĩa andũ 6 nĩ makuire na angĩ makorwo makĩgurara ũru kumana na mũtino wa barabara ũrĩa ũhanĩkire mwena wa Kapiti barabara-inĩ ya Mombasa gũka Nairobi. Mũtino ũcio ũhanĩkire kana ũkuruhanirie mbathi ĩmwe na rori, kũrĩa rori ĩrĩa ĩkumaga mwena wa Mombasa ĩgũthanire na rori ĩrĩa ĩkumaga mwena wa Nairobi na gũte mwerekera na gũcũngĩrĩria rori kũgũthana kĩongo gwa kĩongo na mbathi.
Oh yeah. My name is Patrick Wairimu, OGW, Sub-County Police Commander, Palama. This morning we have a road traffic accident that is fatal that occurred at around 1 a.m. this morning. It involves 3 vehicles, 2 trailers and a bus. The trailer was coming from Mombasa to Nairobi, and there was a bus heading to Mombasa from Nairobi, from a Hamid company. What happened when they reached at the position, or rather the location of the accident, there was overtaking by one of the lorry. So as a result, there was head-on collision between the trailer and the bus. It was so serious that on the spot we had 6 people who died, and others, a number of them sustained serious and minor injuries and were rushed to Machakos Level 5 hospital. The trapped bodies have already been retrieved from the bus, and as we are talking, they have already been taken to Machakos Level 5 hospital mall. So my advice to all road users is to take caution, and especially when you are overtaking.
Nĩ ndeto yake tũgĩtigana na icio atongoria kuma ithũĩro rĩa bũrũri arĩa nĩ athiriti ya President William Ruto nĩ makorirwo magĩkũmithia ciĩko cia nyanake gũtharĩkĩra andũ, makiuga ateti amwe nĩo mararĩha nyanake ici na gũcoka gũkuithia President mũrigo ũyũ. Matongoretio nĩ gavana wa Bungoma Kenneth Lusaka maugĩte ateti mabatie gũthima na hinya kũgerera tabarĩra cia ũthii wa na mbere, no ti gũikanĩria ciugo na inegene rĩtarathira.
Kuna watu wameanza kuwa na goons. mambo kupiga watu ati kwa sababu ukubaliane. Tunataka kulaani, irrespective of the political party, let everybody be given an opportunity to express their policies and what they want, ili tusikuje kuua watu, kupiga watu. We want to condemn goonism.
Tutaleta maji, tutaleta stima, hii hall itaisha. Halo, na pia mwaka ujao pesa ya biashara, nikiwa gavana wenu tutaleta pia pesa ya biashara.
Na bunge ya kaunti ya Kirinyaga nĩrĩkĩte kũhetũkia bajeti ya kaunti ĩno ĩrĩa nĩ ya mũigana wa ciringi bilioni 7 iria ithukĩirwo mathomo, ũgima wa mwĩrĩ na tabarĩra cia ũthii wa na mbere. Harĩ kĩgĩna gĩkĩ award ithukĩirwo ciringi milioni 600 nacio milioni 210 igũkorwo irĩ cia basari.
Tumefikisha karibu bilioni 7 ya bajeti ya mwaka huu, na ile department ambayo imepata pesa mingi sana ni department ya health. Inachukuaga almost karibu 30% na wage bill, na hiyo zingine zinaenda kwa infrastructure. Lakini hatuwezi sema zingine zimepotea, manake kama education tumeongezea kutoka milioni 100 mpaka milioni 210. Kwa hivyo basari ya mwaka huu itakuwa zaidi, kwa sababu kila ward itakuwa na milioni 10. Pia pande ya development ya ward, zile miradi ambayo tunapatiwa na Wanjiru tumeongeza pesa. Mwaka hii itakuwa milioni 600, ward zote 20. Na kwa hivyo mimi naona mwaka huu itakuwa kazi itafanyika. Ile mimi naomba tu ni kwamba tukishapitiza hii budget, na muomba gavana ajaribu aongee na watu yake, naye wachukue jukumu lao. Ikiwezekana kabla first quarter ya mwaka huu tuwe tumefanya implementation ya ward based project.
Leo tulikuwa tunapitisha ripoti ya kuanza matayarisho kwa sababu ya pesa za mwaka huu, hazina ya mwaka huu, na leo tumekuwa na maswali bungeni kwamba tumeanza miradi mingine, tumeanza kupea miradi pesa zingine, na tukikumbuka kwamba mwaka uliopita wa serikali tulipitisha pesa ya kununua gari la zimamoto, na gari hilo halijapatikana, na tunauliza ni kwa nini? Kwa sababu ni gari ambalo liko na manufaa mengi sana kwa sisi wakaaji wa Kirinyaga. Kwanza kwangu eneo langu la wakilishi bunge kumekuwa na janga la moto ambalo kuna watu, familia nzima ilikufa kwa sababu kukosa gari ambayo inakuja kwa wakati unafaa. Juzi kulikuwa na moja ambaye alipoteza mali takriban milioni 5, na kwa sababu gari ilitubidi tuitishe gari kutoka Embu. Kwa hivyo tunauliza idara ambayo inashughulika na ununuzi wa vitu vya serikali waharakishe wanunue hilo gari, kwa sababu lina manufaa sana sisi kwetu kama wakaaji wa Kirinyaga.
Joshigie bajeti ya kũrĩa kaunti ya Kirinyaga igatwekanya ũguo tũgĩkiria oro hanini tuko tũgĩcokereria tũmũrĩke riboti ciĩgĩmainie na mathako.
Ino ni station ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
Kana mundu ngienda ndumiriri yake ikinyire makiri maingi ma Kenya, we niwe turenda araniria na ithuĩ umuthi gerera 0758487904 ni 0758487904 na ni guteithika. Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
Ewe niwe ndirera we kawira kau gaku o investire miaka iyo yothe ri umuthi uyu ngoma angiariria turi anime moke magukua indo ciaku ungika atia kana ungiambirie kumacaria na migue ta ndege ta tengera kuregwa Muma engineering system umere makuonia CCTV cia kamera ciraiganirira muhuko waku. Oho ni makoragwo na electric fence materials, razor wire cia green na cia silver. Ni makoragwo na access control system ira cia kuhinya fingerprint ugitonya, intruder alarm system, na no makoragwo na indo ciothe cia mwaki nginya fire extinguishers. Oho no makoragwo na solar panels, na ni makoragwo nginya na ingo automatic kuhinya ka remote uguo wira ni muingi tawa gutinda kung'ang'ana na ngeti. Ni mahetwo ngerenwa nyingi muno. Duka ciao cikuria Nairobi CBD, macamanĩrio-inĩ ma Kamae na Gaborone Road. Showroom yao ĩ hau Nyandarua House ground floor. Duka yao ĩngĩ yao ĩrĩ kũu Nyandarua House second floor room 204. Duka yao ĩngĩ harĩ Gaborone Plaza ground floor number G1. Na kwa kuria Kasarani ni harĩ Max Plaza kũng'ethanĩra na Kasarani police station. Ona kana no macarie na thimũ 0793494949 kana 0793949494 kana 0793595959. Gitira wira waku na CCTV cameras kuma Muma engineering system. Twaririe
Kuru wa Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving toekaine ni kuruta matereva a gikiro ya iguru mari na uigiririki munene barabara-ini. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving turutanaga utereva wa ciothe. Class A ni utereva wa fikifiki na tuk-tuk, Class B utereva wa gari nini, Class C utereva wa marori na Class D ni utereva wa gari cia ukui wa muingi. Urutani witu wa utereva ni wa kurumanirira na mutarara mweru wa NTSA na warikia kothi tugaguteithiriria kwigira na smart driving license. Niondo wa uhoro makiria ndukairirie gutucerera wabici-ini citu Rwesambu nyumba-ini ya Jewel Complex gorofa ya gatano barabara nene ya Thika Super Highway kurigania na TRM kana utuhurire thimu kugerera 0703164003 0703164003. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving, drive with confidence. Mwangaza wa Neno FM, shesheni ya redio ĩrĩa ĩkũrehagira umemerekia muthuranire o muthenya wa mwambĩrĩrio kinyagia gatano. Tabarĩra ciĩhotanĩire kwambĩrĩria rũcinĩ kinya hwaĩ-inĩ thaa 11 kinyagia thaa 4 cia rũcinĩ. Nyitanagira na Esther Wathenge the Kingdom Lady thĩinĩ wa gĩthima rũcinĩ thaa 8 nginya thaa 10. Ũkanyitanĩra na Celestine Waka the Fed One thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya Shangwe. Igĩkinyĩria thaa 10 ũkaingĩra kĩberereki thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya ngwatanĩro Kamau wa Waithĩra KW. Mũgaterevana kinyagia thaa 2 cia ũtukũ, nakuo kwambĩrĩria thaa 2 kinyagia thaa 5 cia ũtukũ ukanyitanira na Susan Wagoro the Women Rep thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya ikũmbĩ rĩa Kĩgoco.
Ino ni station ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
Nĩ ngatho nĩ twacokereria oro rĩngĩ na rĩu tũrike iharo-inĩ kũrĩa mathako thukuru-inĩ cia thekondarĩ nĩ mahũrĩtwo cabi mwena wa Narok kĩharo-inĩ kĩa William Ole magĩtanywo kuoya thikũ ithatũ kũrĩa airĩtu na anake a thukuru itiganĩte kuma kaunti 14 nĩo megũkorwo magĩcindana na aruna ao. Mathako maya makorirwo makĩhũrwo cabi nĩ gavana wa kaunti ya Narok Tamalinye Koech.
There are so many students, but we have enough space to accommodate the students. Rift Valley is known for discipline, and I think the students are going to be disciplined, and we are ready for them. The fields are ready, and also the villages for the students are ready for them. So we are happy to host Rift Valley region in Narok County, and we wish even the country, even the nation, even Kenya, we can host nationals in Narok County because we have enough space and facilities to do so.
As a region, we are so happy in the manner in which this county has prepared for these championships, and I think this being the biggest championships we have in the country, bigger than even the country, we are really very excited to take on these games. Our games are of good standard. The team that wins the regional level is most likely to win at the national level, as it has happened in the past. So our teams are very ready from all the counties, and we promise all our fans, the community in Narok, that we will entertain them in presenting our game.
I've come here to officially open the Rift Valley Region Secondary Schools and Association Sports. They'll be here for 3 days, and we've just come to welcome them on behalf of the governor. We're happy that all 14 counties of Rift Valley have reported, and they're happy and they are ready to showcase their talents. We've just come to urge the students who've come here that many heroes that we currently have in this country were scouted or spotted through the sports or the school fields. We're happy that as a county we are very committed to supporting talents, to supporting sports. Of course, you know, we have what we call the Lentutu Cup, and as a team or as a county we are always happy to nurture the talents.
Nĩ ngatho tũgũkorwo tũgĩkĩrĩra gaturumo hau no tũgĩaka rĩko atĩ nĩtũgũkorwo tũgĩcemania haha wona cihanda thaa ithatũ gĩtĩko Wairimu wa Wanjiru mũtwathĩri na njĩra ciĩko auma Wambui Wagaku gĩa na wĩroreri mwega.